River of Life Community Church service location. Our Sunday morning worship service is held at Dean Coots Memorial Chapel at Canterbury Park. Directions to the chapel. If you use Google Maps, put the following information in as the location: Dean Coots Memorial Chapel, Shakopee 55379. This will assist you in getting to the chapel location. If you're coming to Shakopee via Highway 169, you need to exit onto Canterbury Road. From Highway 169, go north on Canterbury Road. You will continue traveling north, crossing 12th Avenue East. On your left is a McDonald's and on your right a Culver's. Continue traveling north for approximately 2 blocks, then turn left onto Baronshire Boulevard. After turning onto Baronshire Boulevard, looking straight ahead and slightly left, you will see a large white cross with the chapel roof as the background. Go approximately 1 block, then turn left into the stable area. Stop at the guard shack and tell the guard that you want to go to the chapel. As you enter the stable area, turn right and immediately turn left. After you drive past the building on your right, you will see the chapel on your right. We have coffee fellowship time at 9:30 a.m. Our worship service begins at 10 a.m. We look forward to meeting you and having you fellowship with us.